Hello guys, myself Patanu Zepa. We have made a mini project of cybersecurity cryptography based on Python. We have three members in our group: Ahmed Mujtaba, Ansari Faisal, and Patanu Zepa. So our main objective of our mini project is the primary goal of cryptography is to keep the plain text secret from the eavesdropping, trying to get some information about the plain text. And we have the abstract of with the internet having reached a level that merges with our lives growing explosively during the last several decades, data security has become the main concern for anyone connected to the web. So data security ensures that our data is only accessible by the intended receiver and prevent any modification or alteration of the data. And in order to achieve this level of security, various algorithms and methods have been developed. Cryptography can be defined as technique that cipher data depending on specific algorithm. So we have the introduction. So according to our introduction, cryptography is a technique to achieve confidentiality of the message. The term has specific meaning in Greek, secret writing. Nowadays, however, the privacy of individual and organization is provided through cryptography at higher level, making sure that information sent is secure in that way that the authorized receiver can access this information. With the historical root, cryptography can be considered an old technique that is still being developed. Example reach back to 2000 BC, when the ancient Egyptians used secret as well as the other evidence in the form of secret writing in ancient Greece or the famous Caesar cipher of ancient Rome. Billions of people around the globe use cryptography on the daily basis to protect the data and information, although most do not know that they are using it. In addition to being extremely useful, it is also considered highly brittle as cryptographic system can become compromised due to a single programming or specification error. And for example, many people use the cryptography. Many people don't know that they are using the cryptography on WhatsApp app that chat is encrypted. Can you make? Can you please forward the slide? So we have literature review, proposed method, and future scope. Over to Faisal.
Basically, you have seen that my friend Uzefa already tell what is mean by a cryptography. After this, I will tell you what is the main purpose of the cryptography, what the basically cryptography do. Everyone know that cryptography is basically of three types: secret key cryptography, public key cryptography, and hash function. And cryptography is a like a study of secure communication technique and that allow the sender and intended recipient of a message to view its content. For example, you have some data and you are transferring to your another friend, but in between there is a hacker who will encrypt your data and change your data and again then send. To to secure that data, you have to do write a program. We have to prepare a program also for that that will encode your data, and after your when your friend will receive that data, it will decode your data. And cryptography basically is an application. In application where we can say what is the use of a cryptography. Basically we talk about the theory about the cryptography. Secure communication, the most obvious use of cryptography, and one that all of us frequently is encryption communication between us and another system. This is the most commonly used for communicating between a client program and server. Example, a web browser and a web server, or an email client, or a small academic and a government community. And after that, we can talk about to end encryption. Email is a one of our area when encryption is not widely in use. Email move from server to server and from server to you. It encrypted on the mail server on your system. Storing data. We all store a large amount of data, and the data is valuable to at least the person who generated it. Every operating system uses encryption is some of the core component to keep password secret of that data. And storing password, first of all, is a last blog post briefly introduced cryptography hashing, a one-way mapping of a string to a fixed length value. One of the main uses of this store password. It is very risky to store password in an accessible way. if stored in a plain text on a system, anyone who accesses the system, legitimate or malicious, can read the password. Encryption is only a partial answer to strong password. If someone has to the system storing encryption password. And after that, there is a graph also. Can you change the slide? Yes, we can see the graph of a cryptography method, Browfist, RC4, CAST, AES, and 3D. The highest is the DES, time period before cryptography method. That means if when the cryptography is not there, what happening to the scamming, all that, we can see every day a new scamming. This is the main purpose of a cryptography, and further the application and the future scope and conclusion will continue to my friend Mustafa.
So we have seen what Josefa and Faisal said so far. So I will now talk about the future work and the conclusion of this project. So the future work about this project is that several important problems remain to be investigated in the future study. So, for example, we have to say examples are the integration of complex objects, non-Latin characters, conflicts of ASC2 and algorithm databases. Theoretically, work is also needed for new cryptographic systems. It is therefore important that efforts to solve the broken state of cryptology to be continued and evaluated to experiment with real application. And the conclusion of this project is ensuring a strong cryptographic system is certainly not an easy task. Still, it is something that many researchers have probably aimed to achieve as they want to protect their information against new launch attacks for a safer information system. This article has shown an understanding of the crypto systems available. It also focused on the fundamental concepts and techniques, insisting on the alternatives to have a more unique but also sophisticated encryption class. More details are presented in the literature. So now I will show how the program works of this project. This is our program. Now if I say hello Faisal here and I want to
Yes, sir.
and I want to encode it here. Now it has given G, D, K, K, N, Z, E, anything he wants to give us with the program. Now we can encode it by just copying it and pasting our encoded message here, and we will decode it here. Now see how it decoded that word into Hello Faisal again. So this project is about cyber security, and here our program is running. Thank you. Let me interrupt you, Mustafa. The program is not being seen. Hello. So my friend here told me that my recording is not showing, so I will show it again. This is our programming. If I run this, it will tell us to type any message. So I will type hello Josefa. That's it. I will enter it and I will encode it. It will use some random numbers, random alphabets. So I will copy it. So
Sorry to interrupt you.
I will say hello Josefa here, and I will encode it by E, and it will give any random alphabets. So I will just copy alphabets, and
Hello, Mustafa. Hello.
I will just
The output is not seeing to anyone. Now
I
it is
think
showing. Now it is showing.
I think output is
Yeah.
showing. So now
No.
I will just copy paste the encoded message, and I will just decode it by T. So here you can see that hello Josefa is given here. So our program runs perfectly, and this is our project about cryptography.